Philippines! Hello, Monica Mario. Today we're going to show you how to make tomato sauce.
No, Maryann. Maryann.
No, I'm going to make tomato sauce without touching anything.
Seriously, Han?
And this is how I'm going to make tomato sauce without touching anything. Marianne's going to make it, and I'm not. Oh, wait, look at that face, wait.
Why you have to see that, Han?
So what we're doing here is you're going to heat up garlic and onion. It's not really heated up yet. We're going to add chopped meat to the sauce, so it'll be a meat sauce. And get the chopped meat, you got to keep turning it until it's brown. And then we're going to add crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, and some tomato sauce. Oh, you don't add the pasta. The pasta cooked separate.
I know.
And then we will come back and let you know how it came out.
So this is my version of eating it.
This is
mine.
This is Marianne's version of sauce, which is essentially just what I do for sauce. I told her what I do, and she's doing the same thing.
I know how to do this before you teach me.
Okay.
So guys,
Yeah, I'll show you her version of tomato sauce here. Wait. Here it is. Dun dun dun.
guys, right here, guys. Oh. It's
No,
really.
she said, I'm going to make sauce. She came up from downstairs with this jar.
Seriously, I have it right here.
I took those out.
Yes, seriously, Oh, you are crazy, baby. Mga kabaryo! Mga kabaryo daw po, guys.
Alright guys, I see the battery flashing, so before this kills the whole recording, we will get back to you.
And he will tell you.
I will tell you if it's any good or not. We'll show it to you when it's at that stage.
Okay.
Alright guys, time to check up on my wife and see how she's making out with our sauce. Same position. She hasn't moved since the last time we spoke. Her feet are glued to the floor so she can't go anywhere. Well, there she is.
I'm sure that thing should have.
They can see the sauce. I don't have to stick the camera in it.
What's the sauce,
But
guys?
we'll see how it tastes. It's got to sit on heat for a while before it's
Also pasta later. It's ready. Pasta is very fast.
7 minutes done. After boil, it'll take longer to get the water to stop boiling than it does to actually cook the pasta.
This is black, but it's my face. It's
Our
okay.
face.
It's okay.
And that's her head.
Hi, honey. We
The
can.
arms.
And can you vlog properly? The people is keep busy, you know.
Man, I'm getting busy.
Seriously.
My camera.
The vlogger, sleepy vlogger.
My camera away.
Sleepy vlogger, where are you going, vlogger? Where? Okay guys, I guess he's done vlogging. Continue later again. It's like, what kind of vlogger is that? I like.
And I had a half of
No, don't do it.
protein. Alright guys, we're back with the saga of the sauce. Here goes Marianne. Now she's putting the sauce in a container, so I guess we're going to eat our pasta dry so that we have sauce for something else later.
And I'm gonna put that.
So,
Just look what I'm doing here.
look what she's doing there. She said I told her to make too much sauce. Because she just wanted to make a little. I said, we never put that little. Now she's pouring the pasta into the sauce, which we don't usually do. We usually pour the pasta into a bowl and pour the sauce over the pasta.
Well, this is my way, so you just watch and learn.
I'm going to learn something here. Ooh. Amazing. So that's where we're at. And then we're gonna sit.
Show your pasta here.
Then we're gonna sit, taste it, and find out what it tastes like. Nobody makes sauce and doesn't taste it as they go to see if it needs something. I'm sure she didn't put any oregano, any garlic, any hot pepper in it. I'm sure she didn't put nothing in it.
Why do you put hot pepper?
You put nothing in it. You put oregano in it?
No, what I put here is pepper, bay leaves, and a little salt and a little sugar.
Really? So, no oregano, no basil. What kind of sauce is that?
So I think you're gonna.
So she forgot all about seasoning. We just pour tomatoes from a can and we're good to go.
Seriously, we need to follow this. Okay, I think I'm gonna add more sauce here, right?
You do it when you do it in a bowl. You don't do it like that. Okay, we're gonna go and dig out some oregano because yes, I'm gonna put oregano on mine because we need to find that.
Can you vlog yourself?
I am vlogging myself.
Vlog yourself.
We got some oregano so I can add to mine, even if Marianne doesn't want it. Then we're gonna get some basil up here.
Oh, he doesn't know how to vlog. Oh my god.
Somewhere up there. Basil. We're gonna get some crushed pepper. We're gonna get some garlic powder. Not very much left. And we're gonna get some onion powder.
No, before you put that thing, taste the thing.
I will put it on my dish.
Yeah, you taste the thing first before you put that.
That's what we will do.
So, itry natin yung spaghetti natin na ginawa natin for Tommy. I made really this for Tommy because you know me, I won't eat, I eat rice instead of this. Spaghetti. I think it's okay. I need a little more like a cake or something. So I'm going to add this cheese because in the Philippines we have sweet spaghetti with hot dogs. This one is ground beef. We put cheese. This is a Parmesan cheese, guys. Like this. Parmesan cheese. Did you put cheese in yours? And then, after Parmesan cheese, crushed with pepper, because it's nice to have a cake on it. Okay, that's it. In additional, what do you think?
I tried it. It was okay. I added a little because I like crazy flavor. So I added some garlic. I added some onion. Garlic powder, onion, crushed pepper, basil, oregano, parsley, and grated cheese.
And how is it taste right now after putting everything?
Better, try it.
Better?
Try
No,
this.
I have something.
Yeah, but try this compared to that. See.
Oh, seriously. I don't even try this first.
Well, try that first.
Okay. Try this first. It tastes good with cheese and pepper. So, i-try natin itong kay Tommy. Han, it's kind of dry. Why don't you add sauce? And also, there's vegetables in there, okay? The garlic is good too.
You want some?
He's so happy, guys. He's so happy that this,
Because it's the seasoning and everything that counts.
This is your vlog, remember that. You have to end this.
We're not supposed to do a lot, so we'll see.
Okay, stop what you're doing.
I'm just adding some. So we're gonna end this vlog. Well, step around, go. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. That's for sure.
Yeah, but the last time, where did you get it? This one. Hanap for? Reaction tayo sa Tammy's vlog sa YouTube natin. I like it. Spaghetti. American-Italian spaghetti. Yeah, I'm going to end the vlog, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. End na namin. Good night.
Hi, guys. My wife, she's tired, but she insists on driving. I was gonna drive, but she insists that she's gonna drive. Because we didn't really sleep much. And good looking at her face. She could have just stayed home and chilled out, relaxed, but no, she had to come, and she could have been a passenger and take a nap while I drive, but no, she wanted to drive. So here we are. As you can see in her eyes, she could barely get her eyes open.
Sure.
I can see it in your face.
Okay.
She drives okay, even she's tired, but she really shouldn't be driving when she's tired.